drop. Hi everybody, the KTM 390 Adventure, the much awaited motorcycle for this year, 2025. And here I am, end of day on this Saturday, just 8 kilometers done on this motorcycle of all the knickknacks that we've done with it. We made the crash bars, the saddle stays, the top rack and everything that you want. And here I will do what we always do with all the motorcycles in the Zana fleet. Just give it a drop. I'll just go around. Let's see what has touched, what is broken, what is not broken, and we'll take a closer look. This is the contact point as visible in the camera right now. The handlebar end has touched the mud. Obviously, the handle protector or the, so to say, hand guard has still not touched massively. It is not broken yet. The mirror is still up in the air. Upon closer inspection towards the tank area, let us see what has happened. Like I can tell, the tank is safe. The fairing guard or the crash bars as we see is obviously keeping the bike in air. The lower tip around the engine is still in the air and has no ground contact. Towards the center of the motorcycle, the foot peg has obviously folded upwards. The puck has taken contact, obviously as designed to, keeping the tank and the fairing away from harm's way. Now let me just pick up this motorcycle and take a closer look. So as I can see, the side stand edge has taken contact. The crash bar, as you can see, has kept the fairing safe. There is no scratch, nothing on the fairing whatsoever. Towards the lower end of the motorcycle, as you can see, the engine area is all clean. No mud, nothing, no point of contact. So this is also one of the reasons why at Zana, we just advocate the upper crash bars. They do everything. The engine of the KTM 390 Adventure is also a small unit and it is neatly packed within the width of the fairing. So in the older one as well, the engine was safe, always. And in this case, the engine is safe, the brake lever is safe, the foot peg is usable. As you can see, the clutch is usable. This one obviously has folded up, the handguards. I'll just move it down and it is good to go. Not that it's going to be a very expensive part, but obviously it has taken impact here and it has packed up. Not a big deal. The brake lever, I'll show again, has still not touched the ground whatsoever. It is absolutely clean. There's a bit of a scuff here and a bit of a scuff here. The mirror obviously is absolutely clean as new. And like I just said, everything is safe. No situation, no nothing, no damage whatsoever. Just rotate the puck and it's good to go. This is the point of impact. In case you happen to damage it even more, which is not the case in this case, just replace this puck. It is just 800 rupees per piece. No scratch, nothing doing whatsoever. What I'd like to state here in this video is that this point on the crash bar in our prototype developing was found to touch the ground in our earlier version. So we took care of that. Now the puck is the widest. This point is now no longer the point of impact, does not touch the road. And to bring to your notice, this front axle protector has taken a bit of impact, as you can see. So this is why I tell all the people that this is a critical unit. Often all of us seem to ignore it, and it is a make or break in this case. Imagine if it was the other side and there was a disc rotor on that side and this accessory was not there. There is a high chance that your disc would have touched the ground and kissed it well. So 8 kilometers used, brand new KTM Adventure. Just did a drop test for you guys. Thanks for watching this video. All these parts are available on our website, zanamotorcycles.com, as we release this video right now. Thank you.